Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was yesterday, and then you look at where it closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some good solid progress today. But that does lead to the logical and very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 21 cent mark. Why is 21 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 21. If the price were to fall below there, or worse yet, separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that moment in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back like this, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, price continues to pull back and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress forward as 21. What about areas of resistance? At this point in time, the sellers have made themselves pretty well known, and that is right up here at 23 cents, slightly below 23, but right around that area. And you go back to the history of the chart, you can see that there is quite a bit of a past history here. Directly rejected it there, and then this morning rejected, later on this afternoon rejected. I'm not saying 23 cents is impossible to break. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the quote-unquote story of the chart, apparently the bulls are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through 23 cents, but be able to start to get some closes up above it. Anyway, you slice it though. Very nice move today. Great way to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.